Hi, I'm Rich Close, and today's iPhone tutorial is on Touch ID and Passcodes. Please make sure to click the link and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, visit richclose.com. Touch ID and Passcodes is under the Settings menu. Again, that's the gear icon. So we're going to open up that app, and if you scroll down, you'll eventually get to Touch ID and Passcodes. And let's go into that area. And the reason we use this is it's used to lock our phone, which then enables a lot of features like payment methods, credit cards, and things along those lines to be stored on your phone and used. I have this turned on. I'm not going to turn it off right now for the demonstration purposes of the video. But I think it's really important that you keep your iPhone, your iPad locked in case you lose it, especially if you have critical information in it. Now again, if all you use your iPhone for is to make phone calls, probably not that important. Although if somebody gets your phone, it's unlocked, they can reset the password and kind of make it theirs and use it. So again, I would turn on passcodes. I happen to have a iPhone SE that has a fingerprint detection on it. So I use fingerprint to unlock my phone. You may also have a newer phone which has face recognition. And you can use face recognition to unlock your phone. Basically, what you can do then is decide what features, if your phone is unlocked, do you want to enable. And so you can see for me, I've enabled everything with my fingerprint Touch ID. I've stored multiple fingers, and again, you can store multiple faces in your phone if you have the newer version of it. For example, one of the fingerprints I have in here is my wife's, and on her iPhone, I've actually stored my face. So again, what you want to do is come down here and turn on passcode if yours is off, right? And it will prompt you for a code. Now, make sure you know what this code is. Keep it simple, something you remember, but not too simple. So in other words, don't use 11111 22222. Put together a series of digits that make sense to you. I wouldn't use your birthday, but maybe a grandkid's birthday or a special date that's important to you, or a sequence of numbers that's important to you, right? And so you'll enter a passcode. Now again, it's important you remember that, because without the passcode, you won't be able to unlock your device, which will be a problem. You won't be able to get to your data. So again, make it simple, write it down, tell one of your kids what it is. However you have to get there to remember it. And that will enable features on your phone, right? And then you'll go in and either add a face recognition or add a fingerprint recognition. So in my case, I would add a fingerprint. I actually have 5, so I can't add any more than that. It limits you at 5. So then, just to go through the rest of the features here, require passcode immediately. So you can set a timer if you want to. I have mine set on immediately. As soon as I lock the screen, I want it locked. I don't want to have people that have access to it. You can set up certain commands to function so that when your phone is locked, you can actually see the lock screen. So I allow voice control when my phone is locked. And here's the rest of the features that you can turn on. So Today View, Notification Center is on or off, Control Center on or off. I have everything turned on, so when my phone is locked, I can get to a lot of these features. And you can see, you can put some extra security on your phone. If you have 10 failed attempts at a passcode, it will erase all the data on your phone. I have that turned off. You may want to consider turning that off on yours also. Again, if you can't get into your phone, others probably can't get in. And there are some tools that you can put in place to help you recover the information on your phone if you forget your passcode. Again, I strongly recommend you write it down and store it in a place where you won't forget it, and it's easy to use, okay? So again, lock your phone, use Touch ID and passcode to do that, and then turn on the features that would be of interest to you. Again, thank you for watching my videos. Please click the link to subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my website where you can find more iPhone tutorials and a link to my iPhone seminar.